Let's fucking talk like people, man. Let's do this. We're live, you motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Smack, 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 smack.
Wonderful.
Slop, slop. It was like slop, 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 slop. It was like slop, 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 slop. Just gobble, gobble, gobble. Dog shit.
Yeah. You want the ass to move. Yeah.
Fucking cheese.
There's really cool chicks out there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
When Will Smith, there was a sniff that he might be going that way, and it went and it didn't pan out, but that was like unbelievable. And they were trying. There was a rumor that David Beckham might be flirting with it, but I mean, none of these things were borne out.
That's Sweden's answer to the rape crisis.
No.
Yes.
Because I was like, Jesus. And then she was like, I have one of my kidneys already.
And I heard a crunch.
Man.
You just think you're dead, right? You're like, this is it.
Money off these projects, and then they get in, and we have this creepy business relationship.
Whoa. Inbreeding. Look at Leslie doing these ads.
Whoa. That's.
I'll respect your wishes.
Died on a Segway going off a cliff. When he went to patent that thing, my friend worked at the patent office when he came in.
Yeah.
Jiggles are good.
Yeah.
Spank.
That's right. That pussy's so strong.
You know what I mean?
She's getting some pig.
Oh, she's trying to do that.
I thought so too. They all made. We're men. Yeah. Let's eat liver. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's full.
It's good.
Yeah.
What is this?
Maybe a little hot wax got on her.
Oh. How did it feel in this?
Yeah.
Betting all on black.
Yeah. Yeah. We bought it from a couple of Jews.
Oh.
But
Environment. Oh, Jesus Christ. And my pussy's down. Squeezy.
Yeah.
It's all squeezy. It's a squeezy box.
I don't like a pussy that's too snug. I like a bit of a sloppy.
No. That movie was amazing. That movie was like, whoa. Fuck. There's so much money in Dubai.
yeah.
Woo.
Really? On edibles?
Yeah.
Edible dreams. Interesting.
Edible dreams are slippery.
Being on scary rooftops?
Yeah, slippery rooftops.
So you're just always falling off?
Whoa, it's scary. Yeah.
It's like, let me have... It was right back in. That's exactly... It gets in there again.
Los hormones desgomis. Come on, man. Chill out.
Brought his daughter out, made us all sing happy birthday to her.
Ooh, yeah.
10% of us know you. Half like, oh, people don't know me here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go for it. Slayer last year, they fucking destroyed. Oh, tincture?
No, it's a breath spray.
Just a milligrams.
You're gone.
You'll barf on that.
She was a tank. A fucking tank. Gambling destroys families. Gambling destroys families. My uncle gambled and the family lost everything. Right, let's do this. Let's go on a business lunch. Woo! Next thing you know, strip clubs, steak, strippers. Woo! So they just fucked with everything just to gay it up and add a little of this and a little just to get a little fucking hunched over the script. Alex Jones on Infowars.com. What they're doing right now is trying to take away life. They want to wipe out America. Earl Skakel crushed.
He went against Jesse Joyce.
Crushed. Dude, he crushed like as hard as a person can crush.
Really?
Like a person can't crush any harder. It's Squirrelsville, man.
Squirrely.
The whole thing squirrely. Fucking no point. There was nothing. They're gonna bring that shit right back to life. Oh my God! Happy birthday to you.
I don't know your goddamn daughter.
Boom! Going deep in your asshole, son. Looking for receipts. Looking for receipts. Deep in your asshole, son.
Over it. You know, he could go on being one of the most respected.
in specific male or female gender.
Your setup for this is exhausting, just so you know. Like, I'm... Jesus. I want to punch whoever fucking told you this. It's the worst thing I've ever heard. God. I'm having an aneurysm right now, just thinking about where this is going to go.